Hello everyone. So today is September 13. I don't know. Today is September 13, 2020, and this is my 7th day here at Hiligaynon Center, where I am currently being isolated because sadly I tested positive for COVID. So the nurse had informed me that I am entering a recovery stage. Today, I decided to have a room tour here sa ginastayan ko sa Hiligaynon Center for you to have a little idea or for you to see kung anong setup diri. So, let's go! I am staying here sa block 32.1. So, let's enter. As we enter, we can see nga may payong di area because super init. Dari kung magkuha kis asang food sa sagwa, kung lunchtime, nagapamayong giko kay gabing init. Dara ako ginahaang ang akon nga payong. And then may rapo ko for para ma-disinfect ang tiil. And then ang spare ko nga tubigan, iuli ko pa na siya sa dito kay nurse. And then dara ang akon nga towels. On this side, I have an electric fan, camera bag. Yeah, pandala na lang ang electric fan. On this area, I have my bag, my laptop bag, mga chargers, face mask for the day. Gina-islan ko siya every day. Face mask and face shield. Ang comb, thermometer, para ma-monitor ang aking body temperature. Scrunchie, my glasses kung nag-type ko sa laptop. Sorry ko laptop. Or notebook and ball pen. Alcohol and transistor radio. Kaya nag-monitor pa ko news while I'm being here. Sulod, mga extra nga face mask. And on this side is my maleta. I have here my clothes, my underwears, cloth na face mask, and extra mga beddings. And here are my skincare products, mga bath essentials, off kay para hindi makakita na mag-choderan. And here is my makeup kit and more clothes. On this side is my bed. I have here, ginagamit ko mag-steam and improvise yoga mat ko na lang din kung mag-exercise ko. May traveling pillow and ang provide sa facility na pillow cover, habol, the cover, and then the foam are provided by the facility. Beside my bed, beside my pillow, I have here my journal, a prayer book from Mother Token Lizares. She gifted me this book during my birthday. And then headset, of course, loader, my smartphone, a rosary beads given by Gian, my boardmate. Thank you so much. And then another scrunchie. Here naman is the kitchen, the mini, pwede siya makonsider kitchen area. This is the sink. I have here ang ako nga gingamit na pinapag-steam, Lysol, Zonrox from detergent and fabric conditioner, dishwashing, and then Safeguard, then another Safeguard, other cleaning stuff. Sa likod, yung tamang toothbrush and toothpaste. And on this side, kapag ng tubig. On the left side of the door, kung magsulod ka, is the table and chair na provided naman sa facility. And then the stops I got all the generous people. And then my cellphone, aming lunch, mga water bottle. Hindi mo kung mali siyang area nga working area ko because I still filming stories. So, dali ko ga-edit some vlogs, dali ko ga-type news, and amali ako ng mga eating utensils. So, that's it. And another electric fan. So, on my table, you can see here the different groceries, toiletries, and cleaning supplies, and laundry supplies as well. And then, alcohol, the different medicines I take here, and kag-amo pagid ni, and ari pagid and ari. So, daw disposable gloves, tissue, mga tinapay, Yakult, apple, pears, singkamas, orange, of course, lemon, calamansi, sugar, honey. I have here also a heater. Dala ko na siya. Actually, mayaraman heater nga gina-provide ang facility, but I choose to bring my own. Ang ginapamala ko nga mga utensils ko. Luya, guys. You need luya kung may COVID ka mo. Garlic, because namin man siya butang sa inyo nga hot drink. And don't forget also to bring asin, because kinangan yun siya mag-steam ka mo and mag-gurgle ka mo every morning. Butang niya sa hot water. On this side is akong restaurant siya. I think this is the room, Gidya itself. But I converted it into a laundry area. Wala man ko di galaba, dili ko galaba sa sink. Ba't dili ko ginahalay ang bayo. May area man ko di para sa mga dirty clothes. So I put there a mosquito net para i-open ko lang na ang inang window, pero hindi makasulod ang mga sapat kay because medyo ginot dere, so ibutang ko lang clip. And here is the CR. Ang ila CR medyo better siya kumpara sa daan na CR. And there are my toiletries. Mga bath essentials, I mean. Mga sabon, feminine wash, shampoo, conditioner, and scrub. Honestly speaking, this room is better compared to my last one. This is Block 32 Lot 1. My previous room was Block 31 Lot 1. So I transferred here because the CR there in my previous room got flooded. Hindi manaog ang water. Kag because daw wala siya may na ubra ang iyang drainage sa CR ayon, and it had no screen nga daw masalo sa mga dirty things. So ang tubo or ang kanal, I don't know, tubo, basta hindi siya maklag. So direya limpyo and kompleto na natapos it construct. On my previous one, ang ilato yung gripo sa sink daw ga-give up na balahaw gaamo na. So magpatubod ko ang iyatubod patakilid. I'm just happy nga may extra and available ng our room for me to transfer do kadito po ata sang gin-transfer nako diri. I hope you enjoy our room tour. See you again in my next vlog. Hopefully my next vlog will be ara na ko sagwa. Thank you, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and all those fun stuff. Don't forget also to comment down kung ano pong mga videos na gusto nyo man. I'll try to make one if I can. Stay safe and God bless everyone. As always, spread love and kindness. Bye!